शिक्षा जगह से नहीं पढ़ाने वाले शिक्षकों से मिलती है।
इसलिए आपके अपने शहर में कोटा के यंग IITian के गाइडेंस में कराई जा रही है IIT मेडिकल और प्लस की तैयारी।
Score High announces fresh batch for IIT.
The matrix type 1 and then question 1 type 1 day 2 before day 1 is a question 3 solve. Today question matrix level 1 and level 2 after that matrix है zero matrix, Ableson matrix is order 2 into 3, 3 into 2 and row and columns. This method is variable. Remember element Aij contracts A 2 into 3 matrix equal matrix Aij whose elements are given by Aij equal I subtraction j upon I plus j. This elements given by Aij equal I subtraction j upon I plus j. Carefully, 2 into 3. That makes less than what? 2 into 3. 2 into 3. A equal matrix symbol. 2 into 3. A11, A12, A11, A12, A13. A11, 12, 13. Matrix A11, A12, A13. Down A21, A22, A23. Matrix order this 2 into 3. 2 row and 3 column. 2 row and 3 column. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Anyway doubt? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 into 3. Anybody doubt? This method order and the matrix 2 into 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 into 3. Doubt? This order A11 equal Aij. Prove this. Aij equal I subtraction j upon I plus j. This proof A11 equal or Aij equal I subtraction j upon I plus j. This proof. Understand? A11 equal Ij. Before this class, Ij claim this explain. A11 J. I first letter I, second letter J. Ij. I1 subtraction J1 upon 1 plus 1 equal 0, 2 equal 0. Anybody doubt? 0 upon 2 divided into 0. Second, A12, A11 and A12. A12 equal Ij. I1 subtraction J2. I1 plus 2. 1 subtraction 2 subtraction 1 upon 3. A30. I3 1 3. 1 subtraction 3 1 subtraction 3 2 upon 4. 2 divided 4 subtraction 2 11, 12, 13. Down again. A 21 equal I 2 I j 2 subtraction 1 upon 2 plus 1 1 2 subtraction 1 1 2 plus 1 3. Similarly, A 22 2 subtraction 2 2 plus 2 0 4 1 8. Similarly, 23 A 23 2 subtraction 3 2 plus 3 1 5. Any doubt? This whole method 2 into 3 order only Aij equal I subtraction j upon I plus j. Only hold this data 2 into 3. Only this hold data 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 into 2, 3 columns, 3 rows and the 2 columns. But this question method 2 into 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Any doubt? This one, and again, this method order this variable is the line by line. Again, A equal A11 put a 0, A11 0, A12 subtraction 1 upon 3, A30 subtraction 2, A21 1 3 1 upon 3, A22 0, A23 subtraction 1 upon 5. This matrix available. Answer. Any doubt? This question available order this 2 into 3 given by vertex elements given by Aij equal I subtraction j upon I plus j. This method construct 3 into 2 matrix A equal matrix Aij whose elements are given by number 1 Aij equal E power Ix sin jx. Second question Aij equal E subtraction Ix into pi upon 2 I plus jx given by matrix 3 into 2, 2 into 3 and anywhere A11, A12 row column anywhere matrix 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 2 anywhere. This matrix 3 into 2. This matrix 3 into 2. Sum. It has matrix 3 into 2. Only order 3 into 2 order. 3 into 2. So Aij 1 less than equal I less than equal 3 and Aij 1 less than equal j less than equal 2. Anyway, this is order matrix 3 into 2. This matrix order 3 into 2. Anyway, 3 into 2. Matrix is one number. 3 into 2 equal A11, A12, 3 into 2. A21, A22, A31, A32. Matrix symbols 3 into 2. 3 into 2, A11, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. And before this question, 2 into 3, 2. 2 into 3, A11, A12, A13, and A21, A22, A23. 2 into 3. But this question 3 into 2. A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A3 into 2. 1 Aij equal Eix sin Jx. Any doubt? A11 equal Eij. Then 1 Ei, first letter I, 1 into x sin before sin j1, 1 into x equal Ex into 1 x sin 1 into x sin x equal sin x. What is second? A12 Eix I1 into x 2 sin jx 2 into x equal Ex sin 2x. Doubt? A21 equal Ei, first I, 2 into x sin 1 into x equal E2x sin x. Anyway, doubt? A22 equal Eix, I put in the I, 2 into x sin 1 into 2 equal E2x sin 2x. 2 into x sin 2x. A33 Eix I3 x sin 2x sin jx Jij 1 into x E3x sin x. Again 32 equal Eix I3 into x sin 2 into x equal E3x sin 2x. Thus matrix A11 Ex e power x sin x. A12 e power x sin 2x. A21 E2x sin x. 22 E2x sin 2x. 31 E3x sin x. 32 E3x sin 2x. Sin 2x. Anyway, doubt? A11 Aij, I put an I put 1, 11, J 11 1. Eix 1 I put the value 1 I into x same x sin j 1 same x E1 into x e power x sin 1 into x sin x. Same A12 e power Ix I1 same x sin j put on the 2x multiplication same. Similarly, that makes a matrix 3 order and 2, 3 into 2. Second, 3 into 2, Eij equal 3 into 2, A 11, A 12, A 21, A 22, A 31, A 34. Order this 3 into 2. Solve. Eij equal E power subtraction Ix into cos into pi by 2 pi upon 2 I plus Jx. Solve. Eij equal E power subtraction Ix cos into pi upon 2 I plus Jx. I plus Jx. E11 equal Eij, same Eij equal E power subtraction I to first letter I 1 into x cos pi upon 2 same I first letter 1 into 1 plus ij 1 into x. Any doubt? X subtraction 1 into subtraction x cos pi upon 2 same multiplication same plus x. Anywhere e power subtraction x cos pi upon 2 plus x pi 2 plus theta cos equals sin. Any doubt? Same formula. Method is inverse trigo. Same. Cos pi upon 2 plus x equal cos sin e subtraction x sin x theta alpha x multiply this x y multiply this y z multiply this z theta anywhere sin x and A12 E ix I first letter 1 into x cos pi upon 2 into I 1 plus 2 into x equal E multiplication subtraction x cos pi upon 2 plus 2 into x 2x equal pi plus pi upon 2 plus x same cos sin e subtraction x cos pi upon 2 plus 2x sin 2x. Any doubt? A 11, 12, 21. A 21 E ix I first letter 2 into x cos pi upon 2 same pi upon 2 I2 plus jx j1 into x equal e power subtraction 2x cos pi upon 2 calculate 2 into 2 clear, pi plus x into 1 x, pi plus x या थीटा, cos equal cos, sin equal sin, e subsection 2x cos pi plus theta x y z, pi equal 180, e cos x, but pi upon 2 cos sin and pi plus x cos pi plus x cos sin pi plus x sin 2 cos into 10 into 7, a 22 equal e ix, I 2 subsection 2 into x cos pi upon 2 into I 2 plus j 2 into x, e subsection 2x cos pi to 2 खत्म, pi 2 to end, pi plus 2x equal e subsection 2x cos 2x, a 21 22 31 e ix subsection 3 into x cos pi upon 2 into I 3 plus jx 1 into x equal e 3x equal e 3x cos pi 3 pi upon 2 plus x equal e subsection 3x cos 3 pi upon 2 plus x sin x. Any doubt? And a 32 equal e ix 3x cos pi upon 2 3 plus 2 into x equal e subsection 3x cos pi upon 3 pi upon 2 plus 2x equal e subtraction 3x cos 3 pi upon 2 plus 2x equal sin 2x. Any doubt? This method is simply easy. ix a11 first letter I and second letter j. Only this method carefully. a11 equal I equal 1 and j equal 1. What? I first letter and j second letter. Anywhere a31 I first letter I and second letter j. Anywhere first letter I and second letter j. First letter I name, second letter j. This is order A11, A12, A21, A22, 31, 32. A11, E1, subsection 1, subsection what? 1 I x cos pi upon 2 into 1 I first I plus j second letter j into x same sum. And similarly this order 3 to 2 matrix Aij anywhere power down up order this uppercase lowercase anywhere same then matrix lowercase and first letter uppercase. This matrix order 3 to 2, 2 into 3, and matrix this rule object zero matrix, blue matrix, and square matrix, anywhere matrix. But matrix is a trick. Matrix is trick. Two types, and before this class, two types: zero matrix and the square matrix. Zero matrix and the square matrix difference. Zero matrix and square matrix difference, but quality same. And matrix is solve question anywhere. Same. 11, 12, 13, 10. 3 orders. A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. A11, E subsection X, sin X, anywhere doubt. A12 like this. E subsection sin 2X, N A21, E subsection 2X cos X, A22, E 2X cos 2X, 31, E subsection 3X sin X, E 3X sin 2X. E11 method is like E11, A12, A21, A22, 31, 32. This matrix order A11, 12, 13, anywhere A11, 12, 21, 32, 31, 32. This matrix available. Number 3, type 1 in. Number 3, find x, y, z and w such that x subsection y 2z plus w 2x subsection y 2x plus w 5, 3, 12, 15. Solve. We know that. Number 3, type 1 in. Number 3, find x, y, z and w such that x subsection y 2z plus w 2x subsection y 2x plus w 5, 3, 12, 15. Solve. We know that we know that corresponding elements of two equal matrix and are equal matrix. Any doubt? We know that this corresponding elements to equal matrix and are equal matrix, same matrix. Put this find x, y, z and w. So x, y, 2x subsection y, 2z plus w, 2x plus w, 2z equal 5, 3, 12, 15. X subsection y equal 5. First the letter first one, row and column. First row, first column, first column. First row, first column, first column, first row. Equation first, second, anywhere. 2z plus w equal 3. Equation 2. And 2x subsection y equal 12. Equation 3. And 2x plus w equal 15. Equation 4. To solve equation of first and third. As first, x subsection y equal 5. Third, 2x subsection y equal 12. Subsection plus subsection. X 2x. X equal 5. Subsection 12. 7. X equal 7. Any doubt? X equals 7. Put x equals 7 equation 1. Question anywhere 1, 2, 3. Equation 4. 2x equal 15. 2 x put 7 plus w. 15. 7 into 40 plus w 15. W 15 equal bound, equal is found for W equal 1. Anybody doubt? Again put W equal 1 equation, shortcut equation in 2. Anybody doubt? x7 put w and down. W equal 1 put w equal 1 equation in 2. 2z plus w equal 3. 2z plus w 1 3. 2z 1. Concept 1. 2z equal 2. Z equal 2. Now this method z equal 1. Anywhere y x w and z. Only y anyway y that put x equal and y equal. X equal 7 put x equal 7 equation first and second, first and third, anywhere first. Y equal 5. X 7, y equal 5. Y equal 5, 7. Y equal 2, y 2. Again, this find is x, y, z and w. X equals 7, y equal 2, w equal 1 and z equal 1. Any doubt? Find x, y, z. X, y and z. Number 4. Consider the following information regarding the number of men and women workers in 3 factories 1 to 3. Consider the following survey information regarding the number men and women numbers in the factory. If in this factory say women as men workers are decided into a third row and the second column and a third row and the second column here. Present the above information in the form 3 into 2 matrix. What does the entry in the third row and the second column? Third row and the second column. Anyway, this factory, the women and the main workers represent workers, and factory third columns, third rows and second columns, and second column and third row anywhere. But a question is happens. Does entry in the third row and second column, third row and second column, as 1 to 3, 1 men workers 30, men workers 30, women workers 25, 25, 31, 27, 26, men and women. Solve. In this factory, you can come. Follow this rule. Men workers 30, 25, 27. Women workers 25, 31. Factory men's and women's numbers third row and second column, third row and second column, third row and second column. Women numbers third, women numbers 27, man numbers 26. This factory's order matrix. This factory includes men and women. The entry in third row and second column and second column. The entry in third row and the second column. Represent the number of women workers in factory third. Respectively, this number of women workers third. Any doubt? That's it.